You okay? Ayan siya gagawin mga kaibigan. O, dito kami ngayon sa airport. Ayan. Dalang-dala ni Agoy-Agoy. Yan, kanyang favorite na. Si Dolphin, oh. You like your dolphin, ah? Siya gagawin. Ali na. Magano tayo sa aeroplano? Mag hot cocoa ka? You want hot cocoa? Ayan. Maganda dito magkape. Wow, ang ganda ng souvenir na to, oh. Wow, gusto ko ang souvenir na to. Ang ganda. Mamaya na lang. Halika, Goy. Hali. Uy. Hali. May mga souvenir na mga kaibigan. Pupunta kami sa Charlotte. Ang flight namin, first unang hinto, Charlotte. Follow na. Dito po sa airport, marami ditong mga snack o mga pagkain. Pero alam mo, ang mahal. Mahal ang mga yan. Mabuti nagdala kami ng mga snack kasi, oh, diyan mo nga, oh, tagpa $5 yung isang maliit lang. Ali, Goy. Bilis, Goy. Kaya ano na sila, nag-boarding na. Hindi, double check natin, be. Kaya halika na. Follow, mama. Napaka maaga namin mga kaibigan. Kaya, ha? Yup. You see the number? Kapag maaga ka, ganito, walang katao-tao. Yes, Goy. That's our airplane. Grabe pala dito, oh. Wala ka mang makakita dito, mga kaibigan, na natutulog. Hindi ka pwede ditong matulog sa airport, no? Yung company ng airline, kailangan mo talagang mayroon kang hotel. Hala, on time pala siya. Wow. On time ang aming sasakyan. Okay. Goy, pwede pa tayo upo, Goy, hindi pa tayo tinatawag. Come here, we can sit down. Okay, this way. This way, come here, hindi pa tayo tinatawag. Come on, nak. Upo muna tayo dito. Hintay lang tayo sa ating tawag. Kasi dito, ay, good. Are you okay? Are you okay, nak? Okay. Anong kailangan mo, Goy? Oh, okay. Okay. Tika lang ha, may kukunin tayo.
Did you bring it?
Okay. Hello po sa inyong lahat, magandang umaga. Tahimik dito. Be careful kay kunin ko yung ano.
Where is it?
Kunin ni Mama. Wait lang. Nandito yung ano mo bag, okay?
It's like a...
Your attention, please. Spirit representative to
Put it
ticket
on your
counter
neck,
for customer assistance.
Para hindi mawala.
Spirit representative to ticket counter for customer assistance.
Kailangan mo to? Kailangan mo to? O hindi? Do you need it?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Ilagay natin.
easy.
Magtitik.
Take one.
You can put, you ask Mama, okay? If you need help, okay? Oy. Wala na pala dito yung battery ko. Ito nang get-charge.
Oh.
You can do that. Okay?
Mom, did you bring the battery
Yes,
charger?
we have.
Gee.
Oops.
What? Mommy, why you like this? You like this?
I did that in purpose. Okay. Diyan ka lang, nak, ha? Pwede na tayong uminom ng tubig pala mga kaibigan. Uminom akong tubig na uhaw ako. And ano pa dito, hindi pa natin makikita yung likod. Oh. Ay, andun lang pala yung plane na sasakyan natin. Hindi masyadong makikita. Umagang-umaga kami dito. Ayan.
I have to show you something. I press this and they got back.
Oh, cool.
Mommy,
Yes.
Mama, look.
Yes.
Look. I press this and this it got back.
Good.
Sad.
Kami ni Christiana. Say hi, Goy. Say hi.
Hi. Say cheese. Got you.
Nag-take si Agoy-Agoy ng picture. So mga kaibigan, meron po tayo ditong mga baon. Oh, nagdala tayo ng baon. Ito yung boarding pass namin ni Christiana. So, yan yung mga bagahe namin. Tag-isa lang kami. Inom tayo ng tubig. Puno ito ng mga snack kay, siyempre, may dala tayong chikiting. So, hindi na bawal magutom. Magbabaon talaga si Indy Roning. Magbabaon talaga tayo. Inom ka tubig na? Inom tubig?
Yes.
Tubig or na?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Ah. Don't touch. Kasi uminom ako. More? Huwag mo i-touch kaya uminom si mama. Ah. Mm.
I look.
Give me your hands. Hand sanitizer. Huwag mong picturean yung ibang tao. Meron ba? Huwag lumabas? Oh, ayan, Goy. Hand sanitize. Ah, yun pala yung picturean mo. Okay, here.
That's why.
Direct.
Look at your
Bigyan mo sa akin yung kamay mo na. Ah, eh, ganun. Okay na? Maaga kaming dadating. Ayan po ang ating baon. Oh. Kailangan tayo magbaon mga kaibigan. May itlog dito oh, at pandesal. Ayan oh. Ginangat-ngat na nga ito ni Agoy-Agoy oh. Yan. Kainin natin yan sa aeroplano. Tapos ito, oh, meron tayong ganito mga snacks. May nuts. May kasui. Mayroong almonds. May goldfish. Water. Pero mabigat kasi ang tubig kaya isa lang dala ko. At ano na kayang group? By group kasi yan tinatawag. Group.
Mom, look. Mom, look at my picture.
Nice.
Look.
Uy, ceiling man yan, Goy.
Because I don't.
Ceiling man ang
Because
pinictura.
we know where's our place.
Hmm?
Mom.
Goy, mag-vacation ka, Goy? Vacation muna siya, Goy, kay Christmas
Wait.
vacation.
Wait.
Vacation muna ang chikiting
Mom.
natin.
Look. Is there anything guys?
Halina, Goy, kaya baka mahuli na tayo. Ta? Anong group na yun? Group? Tayo na. Punta na tayo doon. Halika. Let's go.
I'm gonna turn this off.
That's okay. Just leave it on your neck. Yan. Your bag. You're not gonna forget your bag, do you?
No.
Don't ever forget your bag. Wala ka talagang damit. Oops. Okay. Ayan na, gamitin na natin ang group na dito. Maganda magbiyahe kapag umagang-umaga. Ano na kayong group ang tinawag nila? Ah, grabe si Manang, oh, nakapang-coat na talaga. Oh, malamig siguro doon. Malamig siguro doon mga kaibigan, no? Kasi nga, oh, tinan mo nga yung mga suot nila. Naku po. Ang jacket namin nasa bag. Goy, pupunta tayo sa malamig na lugar.
Wala no ka.
Malamig. Okay? Charlotte. It's okay. They can wait for us. Go ahead. Go ahead. Halina. Okay. Hi, good morning. Thank you. Have a good day. Come on, Goy. Nakapalo, mama, ha? Ayan na kami. Ready na.
The shoes.
Your shoes? You need help? Okay. Okay. Sige, sige. Push. Oh, perfect. Quick, kay mahuli tayo. Ah, okay. Uy, andito pa yung ano sa aeroplano. Oh. Good morning. You can go first. You can go first, Nak.
No.
No? Parang, I'm not sure yet. I hope, ano tayo, pareho tayo ng upuan. Kasi puno ang eroplano. Okay. Okay. Puno ang biyahe ngayon. Hala. Binago nila yung upuan natin, Goy. Goy, binago nila yung upuan natin. Puno kasi yung eroplano. So ngayon, ayan. Sunod ka lang sa akin, Nak, ha? Punong-puno. American Airlines. Sunod lang, Nak. Ayan. You okay?
If you are sitting in a
You-
seat,
okay.
please review the safety card in the seat pocket. You may need to open the exit in an emergency.
Wala, oy, sana magkatabi kami ni Agoy-Agoy. Ay,
Operate the exit or do not need
parang hindi kami magkatabi ni Krishana. Ang layo pala niya. Halagoy. Grabe ka puno. Saan natin ilagay yung bag natin? No, thank you. I think that next 22. Okay, wait lang. Okay, go. Let's check D. UT2C. Okay. Okay. We're gonna sit right here.
No.
Sit right, honey. We're not. You can sit right here because their airplane is full.
This is
Do you? Where is? Yeah, you're fine in there. Okay, let's put our bag stuff. Oh, so this is D. Okay, so we'll see. I sit here. You sit there. Okay. All right. Hold on. Let me put the bag first. Okay.
I bet you there's no one behind you. You probably see each other if you want. There's no one else.
No one else?
Yeah, for the last.
Ah, okay. All right. We can sit right here. You can sit right there. Good. Okay. So we're the last one. Perfect. We can sit together. Perfect. Good morning. Okay, we can sit together. Put your seatbelt na. Seatbelt in. On. Kami pala yung sinari. You got it? All the way?
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Thank you.
Welcome to our flight to Charlotte, North Carolina. We're finishing up in the cockpit with just
Okay.
a few more items. Get you on your way for about an hour
Yeah.
and 28 minutes.
Oy. Hala, sorry. Okay, let's put that one, okay? Because we're ready to leave.
Weather looks like we should have a pretty nice ride to Charlotte.
Ayan na.
There is a small area right north
ready
of
na?
Jacksonville where there may be a few bumps in the sky, but other than that, it looks like it should be a relatively good ride. When you get up to, well, you know what? Due to the early morning hour here, you may be napping. I'm just going to talk about the seatbelt sign right now, in case I'm able to.
Puno
shut
ang
it off,
aeroplano,
if
grabe.
then I
Punong-puno
won't have to
siya,
wait
mabuti nga.
for
Kami pala ang huli. Punong-puno, tamang-tama talaga mga kaibigan.
for a few moments.
Binago yung upuan namin, so at least nagkatabi na kami.
So here goes.
Nagtabi na kami ni
While we're flying,
Christian.
I'm able to shut off the
You
seatbelt
okay,
sign.
picture?
Feel free to move out the cabin as need be. I do ask so that while you are
You can
seated,
turn off
please keep
your
seatbelts
you can turn off the
fastened
cam.
in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence.
We can save the
And then I ask
battery.
you Keep a eye on that seatbelt sign. There
Diba?
should be a
Verify.
chime associated
Ready?
with it as it goes back on. I would appreciate it
Hi,
if
guy.
you have to turn it back on that you comply with it or hurry to enter your seat. with
Yes.
your seatbelt fastened.
So,
Thank you for your attention on that.
now I can go to sleep.
All right, there are
They're gonna
a
get
few,
ready for
announcements
CJ
that have to
school.
be made prior to
Okay.
taking off, but other than that, we'll try to leave you
Still
alone
sleeping.
while
He
we
has a
are
good
en route.
sleep again.
Give you like
Yeah.
a wake-up call about 20-25 minutes
Mm-hmm.
before we land. So thanks for being with us this morning. I'm going to go ahead and turn the seatbelt sign on right now. Please make sure you're in your seats with your seatbelts fastened. Thank you.
Welcome aboard American Airlines.
Okay, give me my
And if we do have passenger Shelly Stein on board, we're going to ask that you please ring your flight attendant call bell. Shelly Stein. If you're on board, just go ahead and ring your
Hold
flight
muna,
attendant call
hawak
bell
muna.
for us. Thank you.
You can
Welcome
leave that
aboard
down. You can
American
put this
Airlines.
on.